Hello friends. Welcome to Study with Lynn, where we share the best study tips and motivation to help you succeed. Today, I'm going to share 5 important tips that will help you crack the SAT exam easily. Let's get started. Tip 1. Manage your time well. The first and most important tip is time management. The SAT has a fixed time for each section, so practice how to answer questions quickly and correctly. Tip 2. Understand question types. It's very important to understand the types of questions in the SAT. Analyze what kind of questions come in each section so you can prepare better. Tip 3. Take practice tests regularly. Make sure to take a full-length practice test every week. This will give you real exam experience and improve your speed. Tip 4. Focus on your weak areas. After practicing, spend extra time on the areas where you are weak. Whether it's math or English, work more on those topics. Tip 5. Stay calm and confident. Don't be nervous on exam day. Stay calm, be confident, and trust your preparation. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our study tips. Comment below and tell us what topic you want to learn next. See you in the next video. Until then, happy studying!